Hey everybody, it's Karen
And Paul.
with Food and Family. Today we want to make you our version of a sub sandwich. Papa's been wanting to make these. We decided today's the day, right? So let's get started. I'm hungry. You hungry?
Sounds good to me. I'm hungry.
All right. So I have a multi-grain bread and he has the white. So we're going to start with, I'm going to let him start with slicing our bread. Let me get on this side of you.
Okay.
We have ham and turkey. And of course, you can use any of your favorite bread or meats. We just bought the sub kit meats. We get them in our local grocery store. If you want to go through your deli and get the sliced meats, it's your choice. This is just what we chose, what we wanted. So, ooh, this is sounding good already. We ain't got.
It is. It's a little crispy too.
Yeah.
That's good.
So, all right. So I think we're done with that, don't you? I think we're done with it.
Okay.
If we need it, we can always get it, right?
That is true.
Okay, so we're ready to put a sandwich together.
Okay.
You ready to start?
I'm ready. Yes. See,
All
you
right,
got.
let's see. We've got
I
spinach.
just washed my hands
He
too.
did.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Are we
and
going to put any condiments on it first?
I would.
It'd be easier.
It would.
Yeah.
Now we've got spinach, as he was pointing out, and we've got lettuce, regular lettuce, onions, some thin sliced tomatoes. We have banana peppers. This came out of our little garden.
Duke's mayonnaise.
We have a little jalapeno, jalapeno.
Jalapenos.
Because they're not hot. They have the flavor of jalapenos. We're using Italian dressing. If you want to use a balsamic vinaigrette, that would be wonderful. If you wanted to use just oil and vinegar, that would be wonderful. Whatever your choice is. And then, of course, you've got to have some pickle slices, right? So I'm letting him build these sandwiches for us. So once he gets this done, then we're going to come back and we're going to start building these sandwiches. Okay, so let's start building our sandwiches.
Okay.
But what do you want on yours? What do you want to start with?
A little bit of both, ham and turkey.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. You know what?
Just what you were about to do.
Hold that open for me a little bit. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Is it coming
It's
apart?
breaking, yeah.
Oh, well. I'll glue it together with some more mayonnaise.
It don't matter.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
Okay. So
Every other slice is ham, turkey, ham, turkey.
ham, turkey, ham, turkey. I'm going to kind of spread my meat out a little bit.
I'm going to also, once we get yours on there.
Yeah. Now, that's much better. Much better.
Much better. Make
Much better.
Make a little boat out of it.
Yeah. So, I want spinach on mine.
Spinach on yours. Just a moment. I'll put some spinach on this one.
I like spinach on my sandwiches, on a salad. I love spinach on a salad. And this is nice baby spinach. I want some onions.
You filled yours up, didn't you?
I did. I want some onions on mine.
I'm going to put some more lettuce on this one.
Now,
Hold down the spinach.
if you want to chop your onions, you can. Would you like some?
I think I'm going to pass the onions.
Okay.
On the onions.
Okay.
Okay.
And I want some thinly sliced, just a little bit of tomato on my sandwich.
Okay. Tomato on this one also.
I know what I didn't get.
What's that?
And I will want salt and pepper. You know when you go in to the store and they have the salt and pepper together? So, but we have it individual. So instead of one shaker, we've got You know, tomatoes just call for salt and pepper, especially pepper, right? Now,
Have to look.
it's hard to see, isn't
How
it?
much I'm putting.
I'm gonna put some banana pepper on mine. Yeah, we live together. We reach over each other. That's okay. Do you want some
true.
banana peppers on yours? These are mild.
Banana pepper, yes. The
I call them
jalapenos I'm on pass.
sweet
Whoops.
banana peppers because there's no heat in them. But I do want some of these jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
Looky here. These are some
They
beautiful
look good.
sandwiches. Now, I don't know if y'all can see
Yours is prettier than mine.
these sandwiches or
Do you
not.
want pickles?
Oh, I do. I meant to put
okay.
those on already.
Yes, okay. I can work them in
Just,
with these baby
you can
tongs.
just sit them on top.
Okay.
And I might let you hold it up so they can see it. And there you go.
that it?
That's perfect. That is a perfect sandwich. Now, I'm going to let you hold my sandwich up for them to see before I put my dressing on.
I will.
Because
My tongs
if we
are getting
don't, that's just going to all
loose.
run down our arms, and that's what makes it good, y'all. That is what makes it good. And the beauty of this, and your idea of doing it this way, is you can make it how you want it.
Oh, yeah.
It's not a sandwich that you have to say, I don't like that, I'm going to pick it off. You just don't put it on there.
You can add bacon, you can add salami, you can add bologna.
Yeah,
Whatever you want.
want. This just happened to be the meats that we chose. Yeah. So,
Of course, you can put anything you want. Yes.
I'm going to let you hold that up. I was going to do it, but you can reach better than I can.
This package makes 14 6-inch subs. I think we got too much.
Wouldn't you think that would be a great idea?
Yeah.
If you're having a get together, you can make a bunch of these sandwiches up and maybe get different meats and just have them sitting out.
I'm gonna put them both on.
That sounds
one
good.
plate here.
That sounds good to me.
That way I can hold them up better.
Okay.
How about that?
Works for me.
What did we forget? Okay, did you put dressing on yours?
No, I was going to let you hold it up first.
Okay.
But you've got it on a plate, so that's fine.
Yeah, that'd be good. Yes. Let's see if I can get this up here.
Isn't that a beautiful sandwiches? How about that? Oh my goodness.
Looks
now, the best part is going to be we get to eat them. And I got us the plate here ready. So here's what I want to do. I am going to set mine here because I'm going to cut mine in thirds, I think, because I know I'm not going to eat that whole thing.
Noise.
And you know, if you're cutting these up for a gathering, which I think would be a great thing, you can have them made ahead of time, let them sit in the refrigerator, and come time for your gathering, you can put them out. I'm going to show you what.
A couple little strawberries to add to it.
You know, just take your toothpick, put it in there, and it's going to hold that together. How about that?
You might laugh at me, but I'm going to put my strawberries on my sandwich.
No, I think it'd be good.
I do too.
On there.
That's what I'm going to do. My Rada knife doesn't cut me.
My goodness gracious. That's a Cherokee purple tomato that I sliced up. And they're amazing. Do you want to cut yours in half?
Yes, I will. I'm trying to add my strawberries now.
Yeah, I can look at that sandwich while we're playing around up here.
You want your strawberries cut up?
No.
No. Okay.
Oh, it's a delicious strawberry. Y'all get them while you can.
There we go now with strawberries on it. Get your sandwich and your dessert all at the same time. Guess I better put some toothpicks in this one before I cut it.
All right, so let's set this up here with this one.
That's enough to hold at one time, isn't it?
All right, so I'm ready to give our sandwich a taste. Are you? Mm-hmm. All right.
I am.
Here we go. I'm going in.
Dive in. That's the flavors.
Oh my goodness, that's delicious.
It is. Very good. I have enough to carry for lunch tomorrow, won't I?
Absolutely. I don't know what's my favorite part of this sandwich. The whole thing put together. It's just...
It all comes together.
It just all melds together.
I don't taste just one thing.
No.
I taste it all with everybody.
It all complements each other, doesn't it? That dressing just sets off the peppers, the tomato, the ham, and turkey, the spinach, even the pickle.
That's all good.
This is amazing, y'all. Well, I certainly hope,
I'm going to eat while you talk.
okay, that y'all will consider making some of these sandwiches. This is a delicious weeknight meal. And it's just too hot to crank up that stove and cook sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm sure a lot of people have made them.
Yeah, we do.
And put what they want.
Yeah, we do our meals where we have vegetables and a meat, but sometimes it's just hot and he'll come in, he said, it's too hot to eat. And so we'll...
but this is a cold sandwich.
It is.
Good for summertime.
So he'll say, let's just have a sandwich or something. And
we didn't put any cheese on it. It doesn't need it.
No, it doesn't, you know. And honestly, when we were thinking about what we wanted on it, cheese never crossed our mind, did it? So you had a great idea doing these for dinner tonight. Thank you for suggesting it.
Thank you.
It gave me an easy afternoon. I didn't have to come in here and cook.
You still get to wash dishes.
Oh, well.
Since I cook.
All right. Anyway, thanks everybody for joining us. We certainly appreciate it. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out our next video. And I hope you'll consider one of our cookbooks. This is volume 1.
That way I can keep eating.
We have volume 2 that, as it stands, it looks like I'm going to have out in September. And that's what, no promise, but that's the plan.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So I'm right at the end of it. So
that'd be good.
But yeah, the link to where you can order it will be in the description box below this video. Thanks everybody. I'm so glad you joined us in our kitchen today, and I hope you'll come back, and we look forward to seeing you again. See you soon.
Bye-bye.